Hi, my name is Ann Puckett-Harpold, and I'm from the M.A. Rooney Foundation. Today, I want to share with you exciting news about our Orton-Gillingham card drill application. If you go to the M.A. Rooney Foundation website and click on the Professional Learning tab, you'll see on the right-hand side of the page that there are lots of resources for Orton-Gillingham. Today, I'm going to click on the OG Card Drill app. You can see it takes me to the home page for our new app. And on this page, you'll see a message board. So any changes we've made or any updates, notes will be found right here. It also has a direct link back to some resources that we found on the Professional Learning tab. I want to share with you the quick start guide. There are some technical requirements which can be found on the first page. I want to draw your attention to the fact that our application will work on Google Chrome, Firefox, Microsoft Edge, and Safari. It will not work on Explorer. And wherever you build your decks on the iPad or on your computer, that's where your decks will be housed. And currently, it's not possible to sync between the devices. So that's important information for you to know. The other document that I want to share with you is called Tips and Tricks. And again, you can download this document as well. This is a very helpful resource and we continue to update it. As a matter of fact, we have teachers who are using our application with their whole class and they needed to make it work with the clicker. So we found an app that makes your phone a clicker so that you can use it like you would a PowerPoint in your classroom. My choices are My Decks, Build a Deck, Set Backup Provider, Home, and Remove All Decks. Today we're going to build a deck. This is the menu page. It's divided into a section on syllables, consonants, and visual. So to build our deck, the first thing we're going to do is we are going to make some selections. So I am going to select closed syllables. If you haven't gotten to a skill or a letter, you can simply deselect or you can click again to add that function. You can do the same by clicking on the letter. The next section is consonants. So I need to have some consonants, so I'm going to select those. I'm also going to select some H brothers, but let's just pretend we haven't gotten to the PH yet. So I'm going to deselect that. When I come down to my visual section, I'm going to go to tools and I'm just going to pick up a few graphic cards, some B's and some D's, so that we will see them in our visual drill. At the bottom of the page, I need to name my deck. So I'm going to name this Basic Deck Period 1. I'm not going to change the name of my deck as I work with a small group of kids, but I am going to change information in the notes section. The notes need to be important to me, so I'm going to put period 1. We're working on closed syllables, and I'm working with Juan and Sam and Macy. I'll hit complete. It shows that my deck has been added, and you can see basic deck period 1. My blending count is 1069. I've selected 34 cards. You can see my notes, the date that I've created this deck, and then I have another menu. Under this menu, you can see that I have an opportunity to do a visual drill, a blending drill. I can edit my deck, I can save my deck, or I can delete my deck.